So the first thing you need to do is take your small square template, which can be your cardboard or your plate, and just lay it on the clay and give it just a little press. That way you know, you can see on the slab itself where that square is going to end up. And then, once you know where your square is going to be, the leaf that you've selected, I've chosen maple leaves in this case, I like to spray them with just a little bit of vegetable spray. That makes them easier to pull out of the clay once they're done. And I'm going to use 2 on this. And then just take a rolling pin and start at one side. I like to kind of press the leaf in a little bit so that it stays in place. And then just roll this across. Make sure they're in there pretty firmly, because the deeper in the clay they are, the more detail you're going to get out of the leaf. And then once you've got them rolled in there, just carefully pull that leaf right out. And you're left with a really nice detail of the leaf itself.